Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about array list in Java. Array list is just like another array. Here we can dynamically grow and shrink the size of one array list, and which is not possible in case of array. So it is more like flexible version of array. The key differences between array and array list is the size of one array is fixed. That means once created we cannot grow the size of one array, or also we cannot shrink the size. But in case of array list we can grow the size of the array list later on in our program, and also we can shrink the size of the array list as per our requirement. And another difference is array stores primitive data type, but array list only stores object data types. So these are the key differences between array and array list. Now we're gonna create one array list in our program. So first of all we have to import the array list class that is located in java.util package. So we have to write java.util.arraylist, and this will import the arraylist class in our program. So this line of statement will enable us to use arraylist in our program. So to create one arraylist, first we have the arraylist keyword. Then inside the angular bracket we have to write the type of data we wanted to store in that arraylist. So I wanted to store integer, so I'm going to write integer with the capital I. Then we have to give one name to the array list. I'm going to call it my list. Then after the equal sign we have new, then again the array list, and again we have to pass in the type of data we wanted to store in that array list. After that we have two pair of parentheses, and we're going to close the statement with a semicolon. This constructor of array list will create on blank array list, and there are three types of constructors available in array list. The second type of constructor where we can pass in the size of the array list, and this constructor will create one array list with the specified size. And the third type of array list constructor takes collection object as parameter, and this will initialize the array list with the collection object. So these are the three types of constructor that are available in array list. So now we're going to use the blank array list object and use the add method of the array list, and we're gonna add the elements 1 and 2, and then we're gonna use the print method to print the array list onto the console. So now we're gonna save this program, and we're gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output. The elements 1 and 2 are printed onto the console. So let's now see how the code is working. First of all we have imported the array list class from java.util package, and then we have created one blank array list object mylist with the array list constructor, and then we have added the elements 1 and 2 to mylist with the add method, and at the end of the program we have printed mylist onto the console, and this has printed the elements 1 and 2 onto the console. So this is the way we can create array list in our program. Hope you understand the concept. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.